Hello and welcome back to ENG Engine, and the topic in this video is changing direct speech to indirect speech in the imperative sentences. Before we change, let us remember the connector for the imperative sentences. The connector for imperative sentences, that is, imperative sentences are of two types. One is the positive and the other one is negative. The connector for the positive sentence is to, and the connector for the negative sentence is not to. We will understand better when we go for the examples. Now let us go to the examples. The master said to his servant, "Post the letter at once." The master said to his servant, "Post the letter at once." Now the master is ordering, so we can remove this said to and use ordered. The master ordered his servant. The connector is either to or not to. Now this sentence is a positive sentence. For the positive sentence, the connector is to. Then we just have to remove the punctuations. The full stop will remain as such, but the other punctuations we remove. Let us see the indirect speech. The master ordered his servants to post the letter at once. The next sentence. Grandfather said to me, "Please don't open the window." Now, grandfather said to me, "Please." So, since we have please here, it is a requesting sentence. So, grandfather requested me, Okay, right. Now, we remove this punctuation. Here we have don't, which is the negative word, and since it is negative, we use the connector not to. Now let us see the indirect speech. Grandfather requested me not to open the window. So we have used not to and we have used requested because please is used in the given direct speech. Next example. I said to my son, "Work hard for a better future." So this is an advice. So instead of said to, we can write advised. I advised my son. So work hard. This is a positive sentence. So we remove this and use the positive connected to. Now let us see the indirect speech. I advised my son to work hard for a better future. Next example. The teacher said to his students, "Keep silent till I come back." This is like a request, or let us see. Now we remove this and we use the positive connected to because the sentence is a positive sentence. Here this I will change because the teacher, it may be a he or she. Let us see the indirect speech. The teacher instructed. So it is the instruction given by the teacher. So it is the teacher instructed the students to keep silent till he or she, the teacher may be either he or she, comes back. Since this is singular, we use comes. Next example. The boy said to his dad, "Please take me to the exhibition." The boy said to his dad. So we have please here. So the said to will change to requested. This connector, it is a positive sentence, so we give a positive connected to. Me will change. Now let us see the indirect speech. The boy requested his dad to take him to the exhibition. Next example. The doctor said to the patient, "Take your medicines on time." So this is an advice. So instead of said to, we use advised. We remove this and this is a positive sentence, so we use to. The indirect speeches. The doctor advised the patient to take his medicines on time. The patient may be either a male or a female. If it is a male, we use his. If it is a female, we use her. So we have used advised and the positive connector. Next example, they said to us, don't waste water. This is an advice again. So said to will change to advised. And this one, don't is a negative sentence, so we use not to. Now let us see the reported speech. They advised us not to waste water. So instead of said to, we have used advised. And since it is a negative sentence, we have used the connector not to. The next example, Ram said to Rohit, let us play chess. This let us play chess is either a suggestion. So we can say Ram suggested Rohit. Now let us see. Ram suggested Rohit that they should play chess. Well, friends, next let us learn how to change exclamatory sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Till now, we learned how to change the imperative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech using the connector either to or not to. Next, we shall learn how to change an exclamatory sentence from direct speech to indirect speech in the next video. Kindly subscribe and hit on the bell button. Give a thumbs up and share this video to those who may feel useful. Thanks for watching.